Star Quiz here. Guess the meme dance with the video today. Mr. Grimace, John Cena, and many more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Star Quiz channel. 1 point for each correct answer. Try to get the maximum score. Round 1. Guess which meme dance is like this. Yep, it's the John Cena Dance to Cupid meme. Round 2. Do you know this meme? Perfect, it's the Grimace dance. Round 3. Which meme do you think has the funniest dance? I think it's the Grimace, but let me know yours in the comments. Round 4. There's another famous meme about John Cena. Do you know its name? A. You can't see me. B. Becomes uncanny. C. C. The answer is A. Round 5. Which meme do you think this is?
We don't really care.
Yep, it's the Spider-Man dance meme.
We don't really care.
Round 6. Pick the odd Peter B. Parker out. Wow, you've done it. Round 7. Guess the meme dance. Well done, it's Mr. Beast's Fortnite dance. Round 8. Do you know this meme? Neat, it's Wednesday. Round 9. Which meme do you think this meme is? Perfect, it's the Skibidi Toilet. Round 10. Guess which one is the real Wednesday? Perfect, it's C. Round 11. Do you know this meme?
I'm a jelly bear, I'm a gummy bear.
Neat, it's the gummy bear.
I'm a jelly bear, I'm a gummy bear.
Round 12. The gummy bear is a A. Scientist. B. Singer. C. Salesman. The answer is B. Round 13. Which meme do you think this one is? I knew you could do it. It's the coffin dance meme. Round 14. Which one is the real coffin dance? C is the correct answer. Round 15. Which dance do you think is cooler? The coffin dance or the gummy bear dance? Round 16. Guess which dance meme this is.
Dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita,
Neat. It's Dame tu cosita.
Dame tu cosita, ay, dame tu cosita,
Round 17. Do you know this meme? Awesome, it's I Show Speed. Round 18. Pick the odd I Show Speed out. Awesome. Round 19. Can you pick the odd Dame tu cosita out? Wonderful. Round 20. Which dance meme do you think this one is? Yup, it's the crab rave. Round 21. What about this one?
Stereotype got your full attention. Things that you can play.
Correct, it's the Megan dance.
Stereotype got your full attention. Things that you can.
Round 22. This one should be easy. Neat, it's the Happy Happy Cat. Round 23. Can you pick all the odd happy cats out? Hooray, you found them all. Round 24. Which dance meme do you think this is? Yep, it's that one guy. Round 25. And this one, do you know the answer? Hooray! It's the cat vibing to Levon Polka. Our video comes to an end here. How many points have you got? Leave a comment to let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Star Quiz channel. Goodbye and see you again.